This cake does not require whisking. Whisking. अब इससे गाड़ी चलानी है आपको, अब मैं साफ भी करूंगी. Chill out. Look how goldenish it is. It feels like I have forgotten how to have days where I'm not productive. So I thought, why not bake a cake and slow down for a bit? So I decided that I will bake a cake that my nani makes, that I've been having since I was a little girl. So yeah, I have all the ingredients right here with me. I call it the milkmaid cake because it's made up of milkmaid. We are gonna be using maida, of course, because cake में मैदा डलता है. I have vanilla extract and baking powder. Nani does not want to be in front of the camera, so she is guiding me from there, and I will be doing everything, and I hope I don't mess this up because honestly the ingredients are so simple, the process is so simple, there are no eggs, nothing, so I don't think this should be difficult. So yeah, let's go. The first ingredient that goes into our mixie, because I'm not gonna whisk the cake. This cake does not require whisking. अरे जो केक को ऐसे घुमाते हैं उसको whisking कहते हैं ना. Okay, I do not want to mix the cake by hand, so I'm using a mixie. But पहले हम इसको खोलते हैं. Oh, it's coming out. अब हम इसको I'm gonna get a spoon, और जो लेफ्ट ओवर सा है मैं उसे स्पून से स्कूप करके निकाल रही हूँ. Basically, I've not been feeling that well or good lately, so मुझे लगा कि I should do hobbies that I usually don't do, or try hobbies that I usually wouldn't do, and that is baking, because I don't even cook. Like, I don't cook anything at home. तो मुझे लगा बेक करते हैं, और ये मेरा नानी का फेवरेट केक है जो नानी मेरे लिए बनाती हैं, एंड इस साल नानी ने ये बहुत बनाया है आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, तो आई थॉट मैं भी सीख लेती हूँ. तो यहाँ हमने अपने कंडेंस मिल्क को इसमें डाला है. विल पुट अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क इन इट and like a half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I think इतना half ही होगा, it's not full. And can you tell I don't cook or bake or anything, but I really thought if I make a cake I would feel happy. Lately I've realized that people have hobbies and that those hobbies have become their personality, and wo personality is basically like a trend. So you know, Pilates, for example, it's good for your body, okay? But now, if you're a Pilates girl, it's part of the trend, and people are not just doing it because they want to focus on their health. They want to just fit into an idea of things. थोड़ी सी sugar भी डालेंगे हम. It's like less than half a cup. But yes, so people are doing a lot of performative hobbies, which I don't want to do. I never bake. I'm just trying something to see if I like it, and just because I kind of wanted cake. So yeah, because lately I've been in a rut and I'm not able to think of ideas कि मैं क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ, and it's making me feel very out of it. So yeah, we bake today. These are things जो मिक्सी में पहले mix होगा, but I'm gonna keep this aside for now and put maida and clean it, if you will. Like, this is my maida. I'm gonna cut it and put 3 cups of maida and just chano it. Like, I'm sorry guys if this is not entertaining content for you. Like, I am really really sorry, but I need it. so bear with me. I'm gonna put you guys here. And I never step in the kitchen. अभी भी बहुत डिस्टेंस है भाई, मैं कहाँ रखूँ कैमरे को? ओके प्लीज, यहाँ पे कप है, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, बट आई नेवर स्टेप इन द किचन बिकॉज आई एम नॉट देयर येट. आई डोंट फील लाइक आई नीड टू कुक or learn how to cook yet, but that's clearly not how it works, right? This is my tray with my chutney. Sorry mom if you're watching this because I know you're gonna scold me. ऐसे कौन किचन दिखाता है? But yes, भाई मैं बहुत एज पे लग रही हूँ तो मुझे काफ़ी एजी फील हो रहा है. But yes, this is 1 cup of maida and then you will correct. Okay, I need to do this twice. This is my 2nd cup of maida. So yeah, मतलब मेरे को ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि I need to try new hobbies and Pilates is not one of them. This baking is, but ये ज़्यादा होगा नहीं because I'm not gonna bake this cake and I do not have anything else that I wanna bake. Unless y'all suggest and you want this to be a series. If you want me to bake something, feel free to drop it in the comments down below. Sorry. My God, it's so messy. This is also why I don't cook, because it's so messy. Yeah, कोई नहीं, learning experience. Maybe this will make me interested in cooking. But my nanny is literally right here and she's watching me do all this and she's like, what the hell is this girl up to? And definitely does not approve of any of it. यही सोच रहे होंगे कि एक बार जो आई है किचन में तब भी ऐसे काम कर. And I don't think wearing black was wise. Have you guys seen those reels जिसमें कोई हर 2 मिनट में जाके ऐसे से हाथ धोता है? That's me. That's why I don't bake. अभी भी ये यहीं पे पड़ा हुआ है और मैं इसको बेकिंग सोडा को इसमें डाल रही हूँ, मतलब अपने मैदे में डाल रही हूँ. I think I need 3 teaspoons. 3. मैंने 3 डाले हैं इसके अंदर. Now I need to put oil in this. I need to mix it all. Vanilla extract, milk and milk maid are in this. और इसमें अब हम 1 पूरा कप ऑयल डालेंगे. तो I don't understand कि ऑयल डालने का क्या पर्पस होता है अभी तक केक में, बट डाल रहे हैं. मैंने अपनी नानी की हेल्प से यहाँ पे मिक्सी लगाई है एंड नानी ने बोला है ऐसे पकड़ के ऐसे चला देना. अब हम इसको निकालेंगे और आपको दिखाएंगे ये ऐसा बैटर बन जाता है. दिस इज द चोजन थिंग जिसमें बेक करना है एंड आई हैव सम ऑयल हियर विद मी एंड आई एम गोना जस्ट पुट सम ऑयल. और फिर मैदा कि जब हम केक डालें it does not stick to it and it can come out easily. This is not a tutorial by the way, this is the recipe but this is not a tutorial because मुझे tutorial clearly बनाने नहीं आते हैं. अब मैं इसमें लगाऊंगी मैदा अपने हाथों से जिसको मैंने अभी अभी धोया है. I'm gonna take some मैदा, put it here and I'm just gonna shake it जैसे मैंने वो करा था. अब इससे गाड़ी चलानी है आपको क्योंकि आपको पूरे साइड पे चाहिए कि वो मैदा लग जाए. ठीक है, और बाकी का जो एक्सेस है यू कैन ऑब्वियसली बी लाइक प्यू प्यू प्यू. ओके, नाउ व्हाट डू आई डू इज whatever maida I have will go in this, correct? अब ये जितना मैदा बचा है ये इस मिक्सी में चला जा रहा है। आई एम सो सॉरी, सबको एंगल नहीं दिख पा रहा है बिकॉज इसमें इतना वो नहीं है। अब मैं साफ भी करूंगी। चिल आउट। अब I'm gonna mix it before I'm gonna put it in the mixie or turn the mixie। थोड़ा जो भी बैटर बना है उसमें मैदा को ऐसे ऐसे विस्क करो। जो मैंने बोला था कि मैं नहीं करूँगी पर अब मैं कर रही हूँ। I know this does not make sense but I promise this will taste amazing। नानी तो ऐसे खाएंगी नहीं बिकॉज इसमें दूध डल गया है और मेरी नानी आजकल वीगन हो रखी है। ये है जिसमें केक बनेगा। तो अब केक का बैटर गोज इन। और मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ, ये इतना आर्टिस्टिक लगता है जब ऐसे डलता है। लेट मी शो यू गाइस। वैसे कुछ आर्टिस्टिक ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है। सारा केक अब हम इसमें डाल चुके हैं। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गो प्री हीट द ओवन। ये हमारा ओवन है और इसको मैंने बोथ हीटर्स पे कर दिया है। सो नाउ बोथ ऑफ द हीटर्स विल हीट अप एंड देन in 5 minutes I will put the cake into it. Now I am going to put this in the oven. I have to wait for 20 minutes for the cake to be good. I'm sorry, mom, but this is the mess that I have done. So I'm going to clean this up. And you're gonna be here with me while I clean it up. So here. I hope मैं अपनी नानी जैसे केक बना पाऊँ। वैसे तो इसमें कुछ मैसअप करने वाला था नहीं इतना, but I still do hope I was not a complete idiot, even though she told me everything just by being behind the camera. Now I think I will set the clock to 20 minutes and then after that we'll check up on the cake. So we have 20 minutes to go. While the cake bakes, I thought I would come here and talk to you guys about how I have been feeling. And I've not been feeling good, you guys, because I know I started June by saying like I'm gonna put 30 shots slash reels this month and I only posted 5. And then I ghosted you guys. And I'm so sorry about it. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know what's stopping me. But all I know is I was not able to post after day 5, even though I do have content. ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't. It's just that I'm not able to get what's in my mind out there on platform like shorts or reels. But yeah, that's definitely something I want to work on. I do want to give myself a challenge, or maybe that's more sustainable and for less days and then increase it, then increase it further. So yeah, give me ideas if you have any on how I can work on this, and if you also did the 30-day challenge and if you felt off and you also dropped it like I did. And I'm really sorry about that. I do want to get back to it. Also, this guy turned 3 on the 19th of June. So, everybody drop a happy birthday in the comments down for Snowshoe because he's a 3-year-old baby now. So, yeah. And I think the cake is almost done. So, I'm gonna go and check up on it. I'm gonna test if ये बना है कि नहीं. आया तो नहीं गीला, you know. But we're gonna just let it breathe. मैंने ये ऑफ कर दिया है. We're just gonna let it be. So the cake is almost done. मतलब it's done baking, but I'm gonna just leave it in there. Like the heater, the oven is off now, but वो जो भी जितनी भी heat है उसमें भी बैठा हुआ है. And then I'm gonna take it out and taste it. And I hope it's as good as Nani makes it. Okay, we are back from the Let It Bake kind of break. So I am gonna take the cake out and show it to you guys. How does it look and taste it for you because you guys can't. I'm sorry, but can definitely follow this recipe. And Coke, if you wanna sponsor me, please do. Reach out to me in my DMs. Follow me on Ahana Mathur. Subscribe to this channel. Oh my god, it looks like this. It looks a little hard. I'm not sure अगर ये ढंग से बना है कि नहीं बना है. Let me see, let me see, let me see. It's okay. I think it's okay. Let me take a thumbnail photo. This is my hair. This is the cake. uh, this is not a kapda to hold the cake. This is the cake. Look how goldenish it is, and it smells great. It honestly smells like milk made in here, and I love it. And this is the cake. And I'm gonna let it cool for some time. I think I'm gonna keep it in the fridge, and then sometime I'm gonna taste it for you guys and tell you how it is. Yay! I did this. I did this with Nani's help, of course. So this is the cake. अभी I think 30 minutes से cool down हो चुका है. I'm gonna cut it and see if I even made it remotely like my nanny. So happy birthday to me. It's not my birthday. But yeah, I don't know. कुछ तो किया है मैंने. मुझे ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा बिल्कुल भी कि मैंने नानी की तरह बनाया होगा. और मुझे लग रहा है ठीक ही बना होगा. And I'm disappointed. It's good. It's not amazing like you make it, but it's good. Undercooked लग रहा है. और मे बी अगर ये और ठंडा हो ना, like ठंडा ठंडा, तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. I know baking a cake won't fix anything magically, but I do think sometimes we need to do things just to take the pressure off ourselves and, you know, just live life. Because I know we're constantly trying to improve and put pressure on ourselves that we forget that, you know, we're also allowed to enjoy a day. Anyway, this was me baking a cake for the very first time with instructions from side. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video because I'm enjoying this cake. Please like, share, subscribe. मैंने description में इसकी पूरी recipe लिख रखी है. So if you guys want to make it, you can follow that. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.